Coding assistants are getting expensive. Between GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT Plus, and premium Claude subscription, you are looking at hundreds of dollars a year just to write code. But what if I told you that you could use absolute best agentic coding tool on the market right now? Claude Code, completely for free, 100% privately, running straight out of your terminal. No subscription, no credit card, no cloud data leaks. Today, we are setting up Claude Code using Ollama native launcher to run massive open source coder or DeepSeek R1 locally on your machine. And if your computer is too small to handle heavy models, don't worry. I will also show you a cheat code to leverage free cloud models using API trial credits. Open your first terminal and let's build the ultimate free coding setup. But Anthropic wants you to pay for API usage. We don't want that. Thanks to the Ollama's recent update, you don't need to hack the environment variable or modify the official library source code. Now provide full native compatibility with Anthropic API format, letting you Claude Code directly over your local model with a single command. Let's install the stack. Now, we need our local LLM engine. Head over to ollama.com and download the app for Mac, Windows or Linux. Once it's installed, pop open your terminal. We need a model that actually understands code architecture. We aren't going to pull a generic LLM. Instead, type this command to download the dedicated coding model. If you are running on a base Mac or a laptop with lower VRAM, you can pull the lighter 7B version. If you want deep reasoning for complex debugging, you can grab DeepSeek R1 8B. Ollama will download the weight on the manifest file. For a smooth coding experience, make sure to adjust your Ollama settings to allow a large context window, ideally 32K or 64K tokens, so it can read your project file without breaking. Now, instead of downloading Claude and being forced to log in into an Anthropic billing account, we let Ollama handle the execution. Go into your project repository and run this beautiful command. Look at the screen. Ollama instantly boots up the Claude terminal interface. No account required, 100% local. But let's be realistic. If you are running on an older laptop, running a heavy coding model locally while compiling the code might turn your computer into a literal jet engine. If that's you, here's your backup plan for maximum speed without paying a cent. We are going to leverage Ollama's official cloud free tier. Instead of hosting the heavy computation on your own hardware, Ollama lets you offload the model's brain to the high-performance cloud GPUs, completely for free, with zero credit card required and under a safety daily usage limit. All you need to do is link your terminal to your Ollama account. Run this command. Follow the quick browser prompt to authenticate your machine. Now you have access to the remote cloud catalog. To pull a specialized cloud-hosted coding model, type this. When we want to link our Claude Code to this free model, we don't change a single config file or export weird environment variable. We are just running the exact same native launcher but target the cloud tag, like this. Ollama handle the secure proxy link to their server, hook it to the Claude Code, and you are now hitting blazingly fast cloud model entirely on the house, with zero heavily lifting on your local machine. Let's test this native cloud setup in real time. I have a complete empty project directory here. Here's absolute zero code inside this folder. I'm booting up our cloud-powered interface right here by tapping this. Look at the prompt. It initialized instantly. Let's give a real task. I'll type create a complete, modern, responsive weather web application from scratch. Generate index.html, style.css and app.js. Make the UI look extremely clean with dark mode, glass morphomes, and mock the weather data fetching logic inside the JavaScript file. Watch the terminal. The agent starts executing. Because we are using Ollama's cloud infrastructure, it processes the request in milliseconds. It automatically spawns the file inside our directory. You can see it physically writing the HTML skeleton, structuring the modern CSS layout, and implementing the JavaScript event listener in real time on our machine. Now, look at our folder. The files are generated. Let's open the index.html in our browser. Look at this UI. The layout is pixel perfect, the animations are smooth, and the logic works flawlessly. All of this was built from a blank page in seconds, driven entirely by our free cloud setup. And that is how you build a premium AI coding environment for a grand total of $0. Now, you have the full agentic workflow of Claude Code, powered entirely by open source local models or free cloud credits. No more monthly subscription, just to have an AI look at your code base.